Hello friends, in this video I am going to share you an alternative of Adobe Photoshop. So I am going to share an online photo editing software that you can use and edit an image. To do this process, you first need to open one link, Photopea.com. I will share you this link in the description of this video as well. You can see it is very easy to use. You can drag and drop your file here, or you can open it from here. So let me drag and drop one image. So you can see, so the image is now dragged here. You can see there are so many options: rectangle, select, magic wire, crop tools. This everything is available. So I will just crop this thing once because I want till this. Use these brushes. You can use all these things. You can do all types of editing here. And you can select and deselect. You can do all types of editing here using this software, and it is very easy to use. And after that, after doing all the changes, you can see all the features are available here. After that, you can click on file and click on this save as PSD, and you can save it on your system anywhere you want. You can just click on save. That's it, and it will be available on your system. Like you can see in my system, it is saved here. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do all the editings using this online tool. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.